With LandOne, you can effortlessly share view-only versions of your plans and takeoffs with crews or customers for clear communication. Let's take a look at how it works. To access the share controls, you must be in the markup view of the section you wish to share. In the top toolbar, find the share icon next to the save controls. Click the icon and the share modal will appear. Now, click Share Section to generate the unique URL. Once the URL has been generated, you can simply copy and paste it in a proposal email or attach it to a work order for your crews to pull up the plans on site. Anyone with this link can view the plan and interact with it, but not make any save changes. A handy tool in the share view is Quick Measure, which allows you to quickly pull distances without needing a scale. Eliminate the need for crews to haul around bulky printed plans to end up getting damaged or lost anyways, or make revisions from your office for your customer to review and approve instantly. ShareView is just another example of how LandOne helps landscape contractors sell more with less time and effort.